be good. Any doubt you can ask, but don't be going on asking this and that. Listen to ma'am first, okay? Let's see. Now, you can just write the heading patterns. We finished data handling. Now we are going to do patterns. Write the heading patterns. I will tell you the lesson number. Lesson number is L. Just write L 12. That is lesson 12 patterns. We are just going to do the last lesson. Okay. Please don't write anything else. Just write L12 patterns. In bracket CW. That means classwork. Don't write note because I want you to write in classwork note. Patterns. Bracket CW. Okay. Now, you listen carefully, children, when you are handling, when you are just dealing with objects, keep in your mind, it will repeat the same pattern. Now, see, continue the pattern. You can draw, children, you draw in one square this, leave a square and draw a rectangle in the middle, leave a square and draw one circle. Please do it. Ma'am will tell you what you have to do. One triangle. Children, where you put that comma, that is one square. Leave one square and write. Clear? Use your scale to draw the rectangle. Rectangle is very easy to draw in your square notebook. Just on the middle, you put one dot and join two. 3 dots you just put on the 2 corners and one in the middle. Then draw a triangle. Rectangle can be half the size of the square. Then the last one, circle. Yes. Now, I'm just going to ask. Anandit, Archant, Ashwant.
Ma'am, Ashwant, ma'am.
I don't know what happened to the other children. You just tell me. Ashwant, can you tell me the next one? Which figure, which shape I have to draw here? Pattern, same pattern you have to follow. 1, 2, 3. Shall I draw the first one again?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Shall I draw the second one?
Yes, ma'am.
Third one?
Yes, ma'am.
This only is pattern. Please do it in your classwork. Neatly leave one square and draw.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, all can do. I will ask you to show one by one after writing. I'll give you some 3 minutes. First one, triangle. Next square, put one comma, rectangle. This only is called pattern. Even if you make a mistake after first one, if you draw the third one, that's not a pattern. Incorrect pattern, that is. Okay. Just do it. First triangle, then rectangle, then circle. You repeat the same pattern neatly. It will take time. I don't want freehand drawing, please. After drawing, I want to see your work. Kanira, did you do the first one?
Excuse me, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Show me, Kanira.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Closer to the camera. New page. Little bit down you keep. I cannot see. Yeah, listen, 1 minute, Kanira. You have to leave, erase it, leave a line and draw each figure.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, first
Ma'am.
triangle, next square comma, next square rectangle. Abhisha, show me, Abhisha. Show me closer. Cannot see. Yeah, yes.
It's me, ma'am.
There should be 6 figures. Okay, good, Abhisha. Tridip, you show me. Tridip, good, Abhisha. Tridip, show me your figure. First one, triangle, leave a line. Second one, rectangle, leave a line. Circle. Prajan, show me your book. Closer. Did you use a scale and pencil? No. Prajan, when you don't do freehand drawing.
Ma'am, I use my scale and pencil, ma'am.
1 minute. Tridip. Yes, good, Tridip. If you don't have space, you can go to the next line down. Prajan.
Ma'am, I use my pencil, ma'am.
Who's this now shouting? Kevin. Don't shout, Kevin. Be good, Prajan. Children, ma'am won't be able to check everybody's note. Please do accordingly, children. Use a scale and the figure should be paka. No curved lines and all that. Circle should be circle. You can use one small object to draw that. Yes. We'll go to the next one. Leave one square down. Leave one square down here. Right side one, down one. Right B in the margin. Right B in the margin. Start. Yes. Start. Another triangle over here. I'll ask somebody. Yeah. Jemima, she wanted to tell something before. Okay, let it be. Next person is Cyrus. Okay, Jemima, after 11, I'll ask you. Cyrus, can you tell me the next figure? What should I draw, Cyrus? What should I draw? John Matthew, what happened to Cyrus? John? Cyrus is not there. John?
Yes, ma'am.
John, please don't send any messages. Okay, John? Be good. Now, tell me the next figure. What should I draw here?
What, ma'am?
What should I draw on the next fill in the blanks?
Ma'am, star.
Star. All of you draw. You can draw nice star. Then John, next one.
Triangle.
3-sided figure. Very good. Next.
Star.
Next.
Triangle.
Very good. Do it. Slowly, neatly must do. It will take time. You have to do it neatly. Sri Mugilan, show me a notebook. Closer. Sri Mugilan, I told you, it's not necessary that you have to complete it. You have to listen to ma'am. You have completed all the thing. I told you, leave one line down and leave one line by the side. Please do it. Leave a line down. It's not necessary for you to complete all the work without listening to me, children. Be good. One by one, I'm telling you to do. Leave a square right side and leave a square down. Then only it will be neat. Yes, Niral, show me how did you do? Very good, Niral. Very good. You leave a line down, you leave a line by the side. Mukilan is going to tell me the next answer. Okay, no, I know that you are not going to erase. Mukilan, try to listen to the teacher. Be good, okay? Don't be writing all the answers and keep, okay? One by one, you listen. I told you, leave one line down and by the side. Mukilan, let's do the next one. Yes, C. Can you help me doing this?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, A, B, C. Okay. What will you do?
First, A, B, C in the first row and B, C, D in the second.
Yeah, next. Now listen to me. Now I want to know what answer, what letters did you write on the third line? Yes, Sri Mukilan. On the third, fill in the blanks. Tell me the letters.
A, B, C and B, C, D.
No. You just see the pattern. A, B, C. Next one, B, C, D. 1 minute. 1 minute. Cyrus, can you tell me? I was calling out for Cyrus, I didn't get him. Cyrus, can you tell me the next 3 letters? Please turn off your mic, whoever it is. Kevin, what happened to Cyrus? Kevin, third one. Third one.
A, B, C, B, C, D, A, B, C.
Wait, no. I want to know what will you write here? Third, fill in the blanks.
A, B, C, D.
No. No, wait. Don't confuse.
A, B, C.
Wait, ma. Don't tell the wrong answers. Now, Effie, can you tell me, Effie?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Okay, ma'am. A, B, C, B, C, D, B, C, D, C, D, E,
Very
D,
good.
E, F, F, G, H, H, I, J.
E, F, G. 1 minute. E, F, G, then F, G, H. Very good, Effie. Children, so many things we have done. Only with these figures, you are doing it again, repeating it. Numbers will not be repeated. It continues. Same way the letters, see the pattern. First one, A, B, C. Then it's starting with B, C, D. Then it must start, I told you before itself, write A, B, C, D, E, F. When I took class on Friday, I told you, you have to write A, B, C, D, E, F. Then you see P, C. Then you write C, D. Then you start with that D, D, E. Then you start with E, F, F, G, G, H. Very easy to find out. Now, 2, 3 children told the wrong answer. Hereafter, don't make mistake, especially during the assignment. Okay. Now, Kushagra, can you tell me D, Kushagra? Kushagra?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Start.
Ma'am. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12.
Very good. Children, when you deal with numbers, you are not supposed to go back. 2, 4, 6 is not the thing. Answer is this table of 2, multiplication table. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Next one is Lokesh, Mithilesh, Lokesh and Mithilesh. Come on. Nobody. Naren?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Naren, can you tell me the last one? That's counting in what? Threes. Multiplication table of 3. Sorry. Yes. That is 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Starting with 6. Okay. Now adding 3 numbers to 6. You're getting 9. After 9, 12. What will be the next number? Naren?
Ma'am.
What?
15.
What is it?
15.
15. Then?
18.
Yeah.
20.
Not
21.
20. That's it. Very good. Please check all your answers, children. Very good. Naren. Turn on your mic. Turn off your mic. Yes. Sri Mugilan, when you are in class, please don't talk. Those who are next to him, please see that he doesn't talk, ma'am, please. He has to listen in class. Not that I'm getting angry. Let him do. He's not attending the class. Sitting, and that's what he made a mistake. I corrected him. Still, he's sitting and playing. Please leave him alone, whoever it is. Let him do it. In between, if you talk, you won't be able to know. I won't be correcting hereafter, ma'am. Please see that. He sits properly in class. Okay. Sri Mugilan, listen to ma'am daily. After each second, don't talk. Okay. I'm seeing you talking. That's what I'm telling you. Okay, be good.
Okay, ma'am.
Otherwise, you won't know, Sri Mugilan, when you do the assignment, when you do the worksheet. Pay attention. Okay, good boy. Be attentive. Yes, children. Now, Jeff, have you done all the sums, all the patterns?
Yes, ma'am.
And all of you keep in your mind, when it comes to the numbers, you are not supposed to go back. You have to continue the pattern. Same way the figures, not like that. You must not do the same. You have to repeat the pattern for the figures. Letters, you must just look into the letters and see how it's continued. So 3 ways to do patterns. Be careful, okay? Let's do the next one. Now, you can close your book after doing this. Only you can answer to the next one. Now, listen. This is not for you to write in your classwork, but you just observe it. Observe. The first one is here. Second one, a tap. Third one, a spoon. This can be anything. Okay. Now see the pattern. 1, 2, 3. Okay, children, this is the pattern. First, this picture, tap, spoon. The same picture, tap, spoon. No, something is missing here. I will ask. Sanjay Krishna. Not there. Sanjeevan. Sanjit R. Sai Vasavi.
Ma'am.
Yes, Sai. Just look at these figures. 1, 2, 3 is correct. Again, repetition. 1, 2, 3 is correct. Next one figure is missing. Yes or no, Sai?
Yes, ma'am.
The first figure. So I just want you to tell me whether it is correct pattern or incorrect pattern. Sai,
Ma'am.
is it correct?
No, ma'am.
So you say incorrect.
Incorrect.
When it's not correct, incorrect. Good, Sai. Sanjeevan. Sanjeevan.
Yes, ma'am.
Now look at the second one. Figure whether this is a pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Is it the correct pattern?
Incorrect pattern, ma'am.
Very good. Can you tell me where I made mistake drawing? Is this the mistake here?
Two cross,
Yes.
ma'am.
1, 2, 1, 2. 2 smiley face. Okay. And 2 cross. That's wrong. Very good. Now, Sachin. Sachin, are you there?
Ma'am.
Sachin, can you tell me the next one?
Okay, ma'am.
Whether it's correct or incorrect? 5, 10, 15, 20. Come on.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Ma'am is incorrect, ma'am.
What is it? What is it?
It is incorrect, ma'am.
Why do you say that it is incorrect?
Because after 30 is 35. Because
Very good. Yeah, 30 is repeated. Okay, so you have to view exactly correct one. See, 30 is repeated. Very good. Next one. Jane. Jane. Can you tell me the next one, Jane?
okay, ma'am.
Yeah. 1 star. 2
1
cylinders.
star,
Yeah.
2 cylinders, 1 star,
1.
1 triangle. Triangle.
Tell. Then that is the pattern. Till here it's the pattern. Pattern starts from here till this triangle. Then again, start 2 jars,
Star with
2 jars, star, triangle.
it up.
Now it continues. No place.
Triangle.
Is it right?
Triangle is wrong.
Is it right?
Triangle is wrong.
Jane,
Triangle.
Jane, Jane, speak to me. Is it right or incorrect? It continues.
Incorrect.
Is it? Now
No, ma'am.
I just want the answer, correct or incorrect.
Incorrect.
Why do you say like that, Jane? See, Jane, it's continuing. No place here. 1 star, 2 jars, 1 star, triangle. 1 star, 2 jars, 1 star, triangle. It continues. 1 star, 1 jar. They may draw 2 jars. No place. With that we are stopping. So it continues like that. 1 star, You can draw one more cylinder over here. Understood? It's not incorrect, it's
Okay, ma'am.
correct. We are stopping with this. You can continue. If incorrect means in between there will be some mistake. Okay. Incorrect means it may not be the same like the second one. Third one will be wrong. Understood? Here
Yes.
we have no place. We are just going to continue. Okay. It can be one jar, then one star, one triangle. Ma'am, stop with this. Okay. It goes on. The same pattern we are continuing. Oh, next one. Last one is 1 minute. Harish, just look at the last one. Harish, just look at the last one. See, Harish, are you there? Okay, Sona. Sona,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me, Sona, this one, last one here. One, two here.
Down,
Ah.
right, left,
Up.
up.
Again, we are starting down, right, left, up, down, right, left, up.
Up. Correct, ma'am.
Very good, Sona. Understood. You have to observe nicely.
Okay, ma'am.
Children, this is only to say. Next one, state where the pattern followed is incorrect. Same thing, same thing. Let me call Ritun Rajwell. Ritun Rajwell. Ritun. Sharan Pranav. Sharan. Sujin. Sujin.
Ma'am?
Just look at the figures. Triangle, cross, sorry, rectangle, cross, triangle. Rectangle, cross, triangle. Rectangle, no, no. Is it incorrect?
Yeah, ma'am, it's incorrect.
Yes?
It's incorrect, ma'am.
Yeah, because you have to use here rectangle instead of this. Okay? Not rectangle. These two are rectangle. This one rectangle, this one rectangle. Okay, that's wrong. Very good. Tarush. Tarush.
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me B. Flower.
Flower.
Moon. Triangle. Flower.
Flower.
Moon. Where's triangle? Missing.
Not incorrect, ma'am.
So is it incorrect?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Next one. Start counting. Next child is Yuvan Prabhakaran. Yuvan. Yuvan. Taranesh. Tion. John Matthew. John. Nobody is there. Punit Jain. Punit.
Yes, ma'am.
Punit, can you tell me whether this is a pattern? 4, 8, 12, 6, 12, 16. Tell me.
4, 8, 12, 16,
When it
12.
comes to numbers, shh, you are not supposed to go back to the pattern. It has to continue. So is it right?
Wrong, ma'am.
4, 8, 12, 16. What will be the next number? Up to 16.
20.
Very good. There is a mistake. When you are dealing with the numbers, you cannot go back to the number to continue the pattern. You have to continue the same numbers. If it's counting in fours, you have to count in fours. It's table of 4, table of 4. Exactly. So after 16, you have to write 20. It's wrong. Now I
Thank you,
just
ma'am.
want, very good, very good. I just want Cyrus, what happened to you is not come. Cyrus? Joshika,
Yes, ma'am.
help me to do the last one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See the figure. Triangle, the shape. Rectangle, the shape. Oh, sorry. No, listen. Only 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. Very good. Very good. Let's see. Now, did you understand about the pattern? No need to draw. I told you not to draw. Okay, children. Now, all have special class by 11:30 today till 12:15.